Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to quickly download Rapido Captain application in your iPhone iOS. So the most basic thing to do this one is gonna be going straight up to Apple Store and type in Rapido Captain. Should be this one right here. Now for example, on your area, it's not available on your App Store. In some reason, you cannot really find it anywhere in your App Store. You can do here is gonna be going to a browser if you have Chrome or Safari. Type in Rapido Captain on the search bar and you will have this. It will direct you back on the App Store if you have it. Well, you can find it. Well, if you cannot find it or it doesn't allow you to download it from your App Store, you can simply click on this one and basically download it from the browser itself, or basically click on install on that option right there. Alright? Now, for some reason, it should be looking like this. It's just like Uber or moreover, and basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.